Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my sublimation printer, or my new printer that I'm going to turn into a sublimation printer, and I'm going to be doing my first sublimation project. I'm so excited for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I am not going to be using the ink that comes with this Epson printer. I'm going to be putting it aside for my other Epson printer, and I'll use it when I need it. I bought sublimation ink, which you can see right here. That is what's going to be going into this printer. Sublimation ink is different than the ink that came with this Epson printer. It's not inkjet ink. Sublimation ink is special ink that you use heat to infuse it into a product, like a shirt, sweater, cup, tumbler, hat, coaster, all kinds of things. There are so many things you can make with sublimation ink. You can make complicated designs and be able to put them on almost anything. So over the next couple of months, I'm going to be learning all about sublimation ink, all about what I'm able to make, what I'm able to put on, or what I'm able to put sublimation ink on. I'm sure there'll be trial and error. I am so excited for this journey. So back to this video, I've already opened up the printer. I'm putting all the ink in the printer. This is a little bit time consuming, so I sped it up for everybody. I'm registering the printer to my computer so that I'm able to use the printer, and I'm going to get into printing out my first design, putting it onto the t-shirt, and we're going to see the end result. I like working with vinyl. I like making designs, putting them on the shirts with vinyl. I like the feel of it. I like the colors. I like the variety of vinyl that's out there. I really like the way vinyl shirts come out. The material's long lasting. It's very good products. But I noticed I was limited in a way I didn't like. With designs that have colors that merge, I was not able to make those with vinyl. You cannot merge different color vinyls together to get like splashes of color together and stuff. You weren't able to do that. So sublimation allows you to do a lot more complicated designs, a lot of colors all mixed together. This is why I decided to start getting into sublimation printing. So once I get all of the ink into the printer, the next thing I had to do was calibrate and align the printer. This is something I did with the last Epson printer. I calibrated it and aligned it, just set it all up. It just makes it so that your prints come out properly and all aligned. So after I got the alignment all done, the next thing I went in to do was printing out my first design. Now, I made this design for my son. He is getting into Fallout. He likes the game. He's been playing it a lot lately. So he asked me if I could make him a Fallout shelter shirt. So I thought, hey, why not use this as my first sublimation project? I can make it a little nicer for him. I have bought the vinyl where you can print with inkjet printers and put it on shirts, I never liked the outcome. It would always wrinkle up, the colors would fade. It looked really nice when you first put it on the shirt, but after the first wash, it just looked terrible. So I didn't recommend the vinyl where you print and heat it onto the shirt with the inkjet printers. But sublimation is different. It's ink that's infused into the shirts with heat. So I thought it's way better to do this first project that he asked me to do with that. I'm able to make a design that's colorful, has lots of different colors in it, and do it as a test for my first sublimation project. So I printed out the design for the Fallout shelter shirt, and I heated it onto the shirt, and I'm going to show you guys the end result. And I want you guys to let me know what you think of sublimation printing. Have you tried it? Is it something you want to try? What do you think's better? Do you think vinyl's better, or do you think sublimation printing is better? What do you think it looks better on shirts? Let me know what you guys think of this design, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified when I upload in the future. Thank you guys all for watching, and have an amazing day.